Hi, are your team struggling to stay on top of their activities in Salesforce, and would they benefit from real-time, actionable insights delivered at key moments throughout the day, just like this one here? If so, then this might be of interest to you. My name is James, I'm the founder of Overlay Apps, and we created Acton to oversee Salesforce and to deliver actionable insights to your teams throughout the day. Here I can see I've just received a notification that there is a lead that's been sat in the queue too long, and I need to follow up on it to make sure we get the best chance of qualifying that lead. I can also see that I've been assigned a new task. I have an opportunity that's past its close date that needs updating for accurate pipeline forecasting. I've been mentioned in Chatter and various others. Today I want to show you how we can build an individual use case. It's going to be a very rapid whistle-stop tour of the solution so you can get a sense of what the application is capable of. And it all starts with the configuration of a message type. I'm going to create a message type that's called lead assigned to queue. I'm going to give it a core message. A new lead has arrived in the queue. Please click to view the details. And we can see as I'm typing that, it's building out on the right hand side here. I'm going to assign this a data type, which is our lead data type. Now Acton can fire push notifications about any data in Salesforce from most standard objects and custom objects as well. And I'm just going to choose lead so I have access to all of the lead actions a bit later on. I'm then going to give it a recognizable icon so that it's recognizable. When it builds up in that list, I can sort of quickly define and see and identify what that notification is. And I'll go to the next step. Here I can see, I told you it's going to be rapid. Here I can see what a user can do with it. I'm going to give the user the ability to close the notification, to snooze it. I'm going to allow them to preview certain details when they hover over it as well. Like the first name is important, and the last name is equally important. I can add the description, I can add contact details, and all those will be accessible when they hover over, as we can see here. I'm also going to give the ability to click through to the record and jump through to the lead. Very important, it's a launch pad into taking action. And I'm going to let them manage the preferences as well. So I'm going to let the user choose whether they want to get an email notification or a mobile push notification, whether they want to pop up or do a subtle highlight. I'm going to give them the control so I don't get any complaints as an admin that I get too many emails or this pop-up's annoying. It puts them in the driving seat. In the next step, I'm going to plug in some custom actions as well. Acton, as the name of the application is Acton. The most powerful use cases is about driving action. So if you're doing a call to action, let's help them take action with a few clicks. Whether that is to update the record, send an email, call the customer, or whatever, or even to trigger your custom built flows as well. So I'm going to give them the action to convert the lead, to diarize, to send an email thanking them for their interest, to edit the lead if I need to make quick changes, to log in, to create a new event, to click to dial to call them, and as I've mentioned already, trigger auto launch flows, screen flows. If you're an admin, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, then these are kind of custom automations that open up endless possibilities for automation for our users, just to make their lives easier and allow them to take quick action. So, final step is I'm going to quickly choose how we're going to deliver this notification. Do we want it to pop up as we saw at the very beginning? Do we want it to fire a toast message if it's really important to grab that additional attention? It can pop and it can lock the screen. We can fire confetti. We can deliver a sound prompt. And with the click of a button, we can turn any push notification into an email notification. And same with mobile push notification by the Salesforce mobile app. And it's also worth mentioning that those experiences, the email and the mobile, also support custom actions. So the same actions that you can take from within Salesforce, you can take from your mobile app, and you can take from email as well. Because Acton is all about streamlining and making their lives easier. So now I've done that, I'm going to quickly save that, and that's our message configured. I'm going to quickly fire a test message so we can see that in action. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Pop, lock, confetti, toast message, etc. So that's how easy it is to build a brand new push notification. So how can you deliver this to your users? Popped it twice there. Well, you can do it in two ways. You can fire it using Salesforce Flow. So here we can see I've got a developer name, and with that developer name, that's all I need to do in order to fire this push notification and to plug and deliver this from using familiar tools such as Flow. But Acton also has its own automation builder as well, which is a lightweight, intuitive, plug-and-play automation builder that allows you to work around some of the complex limitations of Salesforce and really rapidly build new notifications, essentially delegating the role of supervising to the Salesforce platform and making your teams aware of the things that they need to know in order to be more successful in their job role. So that was very quick, but that was quite intentional. I wanted this to be a very whistle-stop tour of the application. If you'd like to learn more, then please visit our website at overlayapps.com/Acton, or you can see our listing. It's got another more in-depth demo and more information as well. Or if you're more of a hands-on learner, then why not give the application a try? You can install in a sandbox. You can install in a live environment as well. It's free to get started. It's intuitive, fun, plug and play. No complex development, no lengthy projects, nice and simple. And if at any point you have any questions or feedback or encounter any challenges, you can welcome to reach out to us at info@overlayapps.com, and we'd love to hear from you, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that was interesting. If you have any questions, do reach out to us, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.